Thank you so much for a good time.
You guys, after a few amazing days in Malaysia, we are now heading to Bangkok. I'm so excited for a night market, street food, and a new adventure. So let's go, you guys.
Welcome to Bangkok.
Hey you guys, it's 8 p.m. We're finally at our hotel, so we're gonna head in and check in. You guys, Tien's checking in as always. Mila passed out since the airport. She's been sleeping. And then, surprise, surprise, this one too. He usually don't sleep, but look at him, passed out. Sawadee Krap! Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to Bangkok. Woo! We are so excited to be back. We landed late last night and then we just like went to bed. We're so tired. So we are here first day back to Bangkok. We can't wait to explore. Oh, and sorry, yesterday we were so tired. I did a little bit of the kind of room tour situation, but I didn't really talk to you guys about how much we pay for and everything like that. I think this hotel is, we use point for this hotel, right, baby?
Yes.
But do what, babe?
IHG.
Do IHG. So this hotel is free. Woo! Yay! Happy dance, happy dance. So yeah, we use IHG points, so we didn't have to pay for this hotel. We are going to be in this hotel for 4 nights. But we tried to get an upgrade yesterday, you guys. Every time we go try to check in into a hotel, we always try to get an upgrade. And most of the time, we always get an upgrade, like a bigger room, more stuff that they give you and things like that. But because this hotel is fully occupied, fully booked, so we can't get an upgrade. But it's totally cool. We got 2 beds, and then we got a little pack and play. Mila slept in this thing yesterday, and it's perfectly fine for her. If you guys are in Asia and your room too small or things like that, that's not enough bed space. Make sure to ask them for a pack and play or a rollaway bed or something like that. They do. Most of the hotel do have it, especially the big one. The kids are hungry right now. We are going to grab some food, so let's go. We are, guess what? In JODD Fair. Yay! Oh my god. I love this place. I came back to Bangkok just for the JODD Fair, you guys. And of course, other food. So it's only 4:30 and JODD Fair is supposed to be open at 5. Last year we came here at later. Oh my god, it's so packed. So this year we are coming here early so we can enjoy ourselves. Okay, we're gonna try to leave before everybody come, okay, you guys? So they usually come around like 7:38, but we're gonna be here for a couple of hours and then we'll leave before traffic jams. All right, let's go hunt down some food. Oh, so nice, you guys. There's nobody here. Yeah, no line, no nothing. Okay, let's go. Go find food. Oh, these are all souvenirs. Oh, pork cracker. Fruits. Oh. Not even yet. Oh wow. Oh god, little shrimp. Oh. Will you eat that? Will you eat that?
What's that?
Little shrimp, and then they make into that. Will you eat it? I'll pay for it if you eat it. No? No? Oh, Sawadee Krap. Kapun Krap. Good job. Hey you guys, we just ordered some food at a restaurant because Tien wanted some pad thai. And then we want to eat a little bit before we walked around, so we ordered a couple of items. I think it cost us about 1,200 baht because we've ordered quite a few items actually. But we're still gonna walk around after. Okay, you guys, seems like everybody ordered this when they come to JODD Fair, so we had to do it. We didn't want to order a big one because we know we're not gonna finish, so we just ordered like a little tiny one. This one is 150 baht, so it's a tiny one.
180.
It's actually hot. Try it, babe. Oh my god. How is it? You taste anything?
Pepper.
Pepper, allspice,
Yeah. One right?
all bone.
That one too long. Let's try this one.
I just worked so
Cheers.
I like this one.
You like it?
Obviously it's spicy. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually pretty good. Oh, the sauce is pretty good. You guys? Oh my god, I'm surprised this thing is good. I thought this is gonna be super plain, but it's actually really good. It's spicy, it's salty, it's a little sour. Right? Yeah?
No.
Spicy.
Pepper too.
Ah. Oh, Tien will love. Oh, Tien love this kind of stuff. Super spicy, sour, and salty. This is like holy Thai. Right, baby?
Yep.
Oh my god. It's his kind of stuff. Oh, you love this, huh? It's Tien stuff.
Want to try Avery?
Do you need that?
No.
It's good.
Get a spoon.
It's so good. Okay, this thing shocked me because I thought this is like super overrated because I see it everywhere, you guys. But it's not. It's actually really good. Or maybe this place is making it really good. Oh my god, he love it. You can tell he's eating, he's not talking.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Good. Like dip it in the sauce.
Yeah, they should put about. They should put like noodle in.
Noodle, you want it, one noodle. Get a spoon. It's so good. So good. Okay. So
Good.
okay. Ah, super sour. Lots of stuff. Oh my god. You guys, it's so good. This, you guys, all you see is a lot of pepper.
Oh.
Tons of pepper. Okay, we order a pad thai, and then the kid order a crib.
No, look down.
You want a real
Look
fork?
down me. Of course I need to come back.
Right there, real fork.
Of course I need to come back for this.
Yes, yes. Zander loves this. He's like, I need to come back to Thailand just to eat this.
Dad, look down.
Wait. Okay.
Hot.
I'm a fever. Mom, I can't even eat it. Funny?
Good?
Funny, Dad?
Yes. Good, right?
Good? Yeah. Put the other stuff in there first.
Put all those
Yeah,
again?
peanuts. Oh, the portion is really big.
That's about
This
the same.
is
You want this? You want
200.
here?
A little bit, maybe. Maybe no, because maybe Avery will eat it. Just you add your own and some lemon.
Oh, that's good.
Is it good? Zander's favorite. He love it. Avery, eat some pad thai too.
I
Good,
missed
Amy.
it.
You missed this?
Amy, let me get you some of this, okay? Amy, you want this? Amy?
Yeah,
Avery.
get put it on his plate.
Who?
Pad thai.
Mama, Daddy, can you take out the banana? Banana, can you eat the banana?
Yeah.
Can you eat the banana? This one?
Me, you want some? Crip.
Noodle, Mila?
Được rồi, nó ăn không hết rồi.
This one is.
That one doesn't have banana.
What? This one does it?
No.
It's
Here, mommy.
Yeah.
Hand, dirty.
Good?
mm.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If he's gonna try some pad thai.
Good. That's what they're known here.
Try some pad thai, because mommy have the.
Let's open it up.
Oh gosh, baby. Don't make a mess. There's napkin here, babe. Tien is in love with this. He loves this. I actually love it too. Avery,
This is inside.
eat the pad thai. Avery, try. Avery, Zander, try the pad thai. Avery,
napkin.
Avery, try the pad thai.
This is what's inside.
Yes, banana.
Napkin right here.
This boy is like messy.
I know.
Okay, eat the pad thai. Go, hurry.
This Mila, don't touch that. That is recording.
Like that.
Good, right?
Good, huh? It's not spicy.
It's the same noodle that you eat with a pho,
Surprise!
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
This?
Yeah.
This place should be known for their pad thai.
That's true.
I've been gone.
You in love? Zander said he's in love, you guys. This pad thai comes with a big, huge prawn.
Oh, that's big.
That's big, right?
You want that?
Compared to the baby one, oh, that's big. Compared to the baby one, oh, that's big. I'm sure the banana.
The pad thai is actually pretty good.
You're in Thailand. Every pad thai is good.
I know. Tien love pad thai.
What's this one?
It is good.
Crunchy.
Crunchy.
That's hard.
This is small. I think this is medium.
This is small. That's the smallest one.
The pad thai?
No. The both.
That's not. What?
You guys, our last dish is here. You guys, it's like prawn,
Where's
and then it give you like a sauce. Well, look at this. It comes with like 6 prawn, right? Look at the head. Oh my god, the head butter. Oh god, look at that. Oh god, that's like cholesterol right there.
I know that.
Look.
What?
This thing is crazy.
I'll be banana.
Give you this juice. Oh, it's good, guys. The meat is so like sweet
Meat.
and firm. I like firm shrimp. Add some butter. They make it like they put some butter in there.
这个是那个排骨吗？
Ah, 是
好不好吃吗？好吃的，好吃吗？
spicy. 辣。
听不懂。
好吃。Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
She asked me if it looked good, and I responded with my broken Chinese. And I told her it's spicy, pretty good. But I don't think she understood me because my Chinese is not that good. Oh my god, you guys, we just ate. It was so good. The pot pie was good. Everything was good. All right, let's go. The kid wanted some potato on a stick, so let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Zander, will you hold this?
There's one adult that's watching.
Say hi, hi. Yeah, I'll hold you. I'll hold you. Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka. Here, that's the potato. Potato that you wanted it. Okay.
not even food.
No sauce, no sauce.
Thank you, sir.
Discount. Okay, let's go. You sure you don't want sauce in it? Yeah, the spicy one.
Yeah, it's spicy.
There's the spicy sauce. Okay, then eat it then.
I ate it like this. I want some.
I'll give you some later.
Okay. Let Mila have a bite. Let Mila hold it. The other side.
Oh, Mila, stop.
On the bottom.
I get 10.
Like it?
Like it? Let her hold it.
I got it.
Okay. Here, let her. Let her get some of it out.
How about just 3 more?
Okay, let's go
Okay, let's go. We'll come back when you're hungry again. How do we get to the other side? This way, right? This way. Right over there, there's another side. Yeah, it's connected. Okay, do you want another one? I think I have it here. Okay, you guys, there's 2 sides. The other side is less crowded compared to this side. This side is so crowded. Super crowded. I know. Oh my god, that haircut for 300 baht, y'all. How many pounds? USA, thank you.
Oh my god, people are so nice here, you guys. To try to get you to eat at the restaurant, if you say they already ate, they're like politely say thank you.
Oh, you want some mango and sticky rice? You want mango and sticky rice? You want, can I have one please? Cup? He pay. Boss pay. Kapun ka. Let's go.
Look at this.
Hold on, what you got?
Man, I want one without sticky.
You share.
I want one without sticky. No, Zander, you don't.
It's come with it, babe. Come on, let's go eat. Find a table, go eat. Hello. Ooh, honey, one? Can we get one, please?
This one?
Yes. No sugar.
Yeah. How much? 80 baht. 80? No, this one.
This.
Sugar.
That's fine.
You know?
Yep.
80? Yeah.
Kapun ka.
No sugar, no what?
Oh, nothing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's too healthy. That's too healthy. That's right.
No.
Good. Thank you. Good, very good. I'll come back later. This one good?
This is really good. Yum. Oh, yummy.
That's okay. Small seeds.
Honey.
Here, you want to try any of them?
I mean,
Oh, that's good. Wow.
Cool.
Are you gonna eat it?
I like
Master.
Oh. What's this, Avery? Mango?
Mango sticky rice.
Sticky rice in the bottom?
You can't see?
Yeah. Are you gonna eat the sticky rice?
Yes, but I can barely get it.
Oh, you have to eat the mango
You have to
first.
put some coconut
Huh?
in.
Mango 10 it's very sweet.
Very sweet.
Try it.
剝好咗中間翻過嚟枝隔離嗰個，定係食山竹？哦，花蓮有一定
Mango and sticky rice.
沙蓮油
It's good. I like it.
Really good?
Because I have to eat the mango so I can see the sticky rice.
Yeah, have to put this in there. Let me borrow it. Let me borrow.
No, he don't want to.
I know. Can I do this? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do
嚟
this.
㗎咩？
Give me your fork.
哦，攞油
係啦，
I'm gonna do this. Here. You're gonna eat from here.
鹽咯，
Okay. And then give mommy some. Mommy eat it with
Mommy want the coconut.
coconut. Here, give me the coconut.
The coconut.
Here you go, baby. Eat this.
有油
Let me put the coconut in.
Oh, if you want to know, that's mine. Can I have
No,
the...
you eat my
I want sticky rice.
You want sticky rice too? Yeah. Sticky rice.
You like the sticky rice too, huh?
It's my food.
Your friend?
It's different and it tastes good.
There.
It's different, right?
Yeah. It looks like 11 out of 10.
炒俾你。
Aww.
要不如剪一下。
Okay. This is like how they eat it, baby.
正好
No.
This is how you're supposed to eat sticky rice and mango. Coconut.
我驚咁啊！
That's how you're supposed to eat.
我試過一次喺度
Not eat.
好度，
It's good.
How you do it? How about you eat it?
我屋企就到呢一粒啫，4個男人，3個半個男，剩低個司機咪。
It's good. Try it.
No. Thank you.
So good. Alright.
Huh?
Try one back.
Hi,
Tien is like no. Every time he say no, you already know he's gonna eat it. Good, huh? Good.
Vicky.
This is really good. We bought this for 70 baht. Baby, will you eat one?
No. You got a baby.
He's gonna eat it. Zander, you're blocking.
好吃吗？好吃啊！嘴都变黑了。
No.
You guys, Avery was so sad seeing that squid being eaten. You happy now? Oh, she was cranky. Now she happy. Oh my God, happy kid. Oh, happy dance, happy dance. Yeah, happy dance. Woo! Yeah, Mila.
好的，没了，开
Oh. Move it faster, Zander. Move it
I can
faster.
eat it.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Zander, can you do that? Can you eat and do it at the same time? Hey, you guys, it's about 6:40. We're leaving JODD Fair right now because it's getting too crowded. Can you guys see? Look, the traffic of people try to go into JODD Fair. It's crazy. We are lucky we're leaving. It's getting so packed in there now. If you guys gonna come to JODD Fair, make sure to go early. They do open. I mean, a lot of the store open at 4:30. We came at 4:30 and a lot of them are open. And then we got done at almost 7. So we ate for a couple of hours, you guys. It's pretty cool. The food was so good. Everything was really, really good today.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us high.
We got back right in time. The pool closed in like 15 minutes. The kids get to play in the pool for a little bit before we wrap up the night. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Oh my God, you guys, Tien was over there trying to work up all the food that we ate. Look at him over there. Tien's trying to burn off all the food he ate today. Nice little gym. Yeah. You're the only person who's working out. Kit, say goodnight.
Good night, guys. We're gonna be playing some